Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the exciting realm of app design on Fiverr, where you can find talented freelancer designers ready to transfer your app idea into a stunning reality. And to get started with this wonderful service on Fiverr, simply head on over to App Design Fiverr and choose one from these here, the mobile app design service by Freelancer App Design, or the second link, 24 best app you design service to buy online. I will choose this one here. They're the same, okay? So like you see with me here, this is the interface of the website, or the homepage of the website, and you can find your account here. I show you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos to find the video, okay? You will find the profile here, or how to post a request or refer a friend, or how to become a seller, and the setting, that means the password, the name, the username, and all that it's for the website. And for also the payments and the billing, and if you want to change the language or the currency, or if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center, or of course how to log out. So like I said before, this is the homepage where you can find all the services or the other key features with the app design, and the results for the app design over here. I have until 9,633 service available, okay? It's very big number, and if you want to filter them by anything specific, they are just here. If you want to filter this result by the service option, you can just click on this one and you will find the filter by the businesses. It's become 4,626 results, or the shopping, e-commerce, food, drink, graphics and design, and also for the design tool, the Figma, Adobe XD, Adobe Illustrator, or Adobe Photoshop, and also the device, mobile, tablet, desktop, wearables, and also you can find more. You can just click on plus more to see more filters. And also for the seller details, that means the information about the seller. You have top rated seller and new seller. It's always the new seller have cheap gigs than the top rated seller, and the levels 1, 2 and more, or the language that the seller speak, the English, Urdu, Arabic, Hindi, plus 24 more language, or the local for the seller, United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, or plus 122 more countries. And also you can filter by the budget, that means the price from the minimum until the maximum. You can just click on apply to apply the filter, and also the delivery time is the same thing. You have the express 24 hours, up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or anytime. And after that you can just click on apply to apply the filter, or you have these 3 filters here, the online seller, local seller, and the pro services. And if you cannot find anything here and the result that you like, and you have something specific in your head, you have the search board here that you can write whatever you want, the color, the seller, the subject of the gig, and click on search to find the result that you're looking for. So this is the results here. You need just to see them all to choose the perfect one for you. Now, like example, if we want this one here, and we want to see it later, you need just to click on save it to list to find it later in this list here. And if you want to buy the gig, you need just to know the information about the seller and the price, and also you have here how many stars that he gets and how many people are buy this gig here. Let's suppose that we want to buy this one here. We need just to click on it and wait for a moment and see all the designs for the same gig or the same seller. And after that, after you choose the gig that you like, you need just to read all the information about the gig, and also you have some overview of other persons about the website or the gig or the seller to be confidence from the gig that you want to buy. So now for the next step, it's that to choose the perfect plan for us. So we have 3 different plans with different services and different prices. The first plan is the basic one, that means the bronze, with $100. You have 3 screens plus Figma source files plus JPEG and PNG. You have 3 days delivery, 2 revision. You have 3 pages screens, 1 custom assets, and include source file. For the standard, it will become $200, the silver one. 6 screens, Figma source files, JPEG and PNG. You have 4 days delivery, 3 revision. You have 6 pages or screens, 2 custom assets, and include source file. For the premium, of course, is the most expensive one, is $400. You have 12 screens plus Figma source file plus JPEG and PNG. You have 6 days delivery, 4 revisions, 12 pages screens, 4 custom assets, and include source file. So after you choose the plan that you want to buy the gig from it, you need just to click on continue and specific how the quantity from the gig that you want. Of course, with different prices, if we add 3 gigs, it will become $300, okay? And also some unique services to add. Extra fast 1-day delivery will add for $100, and 1 additional page is with $35. You need just to click on this small place to add the service. And after that, you need just to click on continue. So this is all the information that you need to read very carefully to know the price that you will, or the total that you will pay after you get the payment information over here. The total, it will be $105. And after that, you need to specify the payment method. Do you want to pay by the credit and debit card or by the PayPal? If you want to pay by the credit card, you need just to get your card number. It's 16 numbers. You will find it front of the card, and the expiration date, the month, the year, the security code, and the first and the last name, of course. And after that, you need just to confirm and pay. And if you want to pay with the PayPal, you need just to click on this one here and click on PayPal checkout, and you will enter your information for your PayPal. So this will be our video today. I hope you get understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.